Next, we will discuss about surface development of pentagonal prism. Okay, a pentagonal prism of 25 mm base edge lies. The base edge lies in the horizontal plane. Axis is 50 mm. The next, the object cut by an auxiliary inclined plane with an angle of 45 degrees. With an angle of 45 degrees at 25 mm height of axis at 25 mm height of axis. Next, draw the unfolded surface of cutting object. Okay, draw the unfolded surface. One edge of pentagonal prism is perpendicular to VP. Okay, one edge of pentagonal prism is perpendicular to VP. Okay, when we are coming into simple projection, this is simple projection. Okay, this is a simple projection of a pentagonal prism. One base edge is perpendicular means 90 degrees. Okay, one base edge is perpendicular to vertical plane. Okay, vertical plane. The next, either remaining this the object. Okay, that means the internal angle is 108 degrees in internal angle is 108 degrees 108 degrees in pentagon. Okay, 108 degrees, the internal angle is 108 degrees. Okay, the bottom side we have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, the next topmost side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the next we have 5 sides, bottom side 5 sides, and the next topmost side 5 sides. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, A, B, H, B, C, C, D, D, E. And the next here we have EA also. Okay, the next these are 5 edges. Okay, the next when we coming into front view projection, this is A dash, B dash. Okay, and the next one finally from C, E. Okay, this is C dash, E dash. Okay, finally this is D dash. Okay, we have question. The object is cut by an auxiliary inclined plane at 25 mm height of axis. Okay, this is your height of axis. Okay, to obtain axis. Okay, to obtain center part in pentagonal, draw one corner to bisect. Okay, middle of this base edge. Okay, corner to middle of this edge. Okay, next finally from this corner to middle of opposite base edge. Okay, middle of opposite, this intersection point is center point of pentagonal prism. Okay, this intersection point is center point of pentagonal prism. This is O dash. Okay, this is O. This is either here we have O, and the next front projection here we have O dash, and the next topmost side we have 1 dash 2 dash projections, and the next 3 dash 5 dash projections, and the next finally we have 4 dash projections. Okay, the next we have to draw auxiliary inclined plane. Okay, measure the 25 mm. Okay, measure the 25 mm from the base. Okay, measure the 25 mm from base. Okay, mark a point and axis. Okay, mark the point and axis. Measure 45 degrees an angle. Measure 45 degrees of angle. Okay, here we have mentioned 45 degrees. Okay, draw the line. Okay, draw the cutting line. Okay, draw the cutting line. Why? Because this auxiliary inclined plane cuts the object. Okay, the auxiliary inclined plane cut this object. Okay, okay, the next, the auxiliary inclined plane cut these edges. Okay, AB edge on here. Okay, this is C1, C2, C1 dash, C2 dash, and the next CE edge or 3-5 edge. Okay, CE edge or 3-5 edge here. This is C3 dash, and C5 dash. Okay, C3 dash, C5 dash, CE, and finally DR4. Okay, finally DR4. Okay, the object cuts here. Okay, this is C4 dash. Okay, these are the cutting edges. Okay, these are the cutting edges. Okay, before you unfold the object. Okay, before you unfold the object, draw the projection lines. Okay, draw the projection lines from cutting object. Okay, draw the projection lines. Okay, okay, this is the projection line of C1, C2. Okay, these are the projection line of C1 dash, C2 dash. Okay, cutting object 1 and cutting object 2. Here we have cutting object 3 and cutting object 5, and the next here we have cutting object 4. Okay, the next these are the projection lines of cutting object. Okay, these are the projection lines of cutting object. Next you have to mention these unfolded edges. Okay, you have to mention these unfolded edges. Okay, measure one edge distance. Measure one edge distance. Okay, you have to unfold this object any selected point. Okay, you have to unfold this object any selected point as you wish. Okay, I'm unfolding this A. Okay, this point, let this A. Okay, let this is A point. Okay, this is A. Okay, next, with measure the edge distance, mark, make an arc. Okay, make an arc on baseline. Okay, make an arc of baselines up to 5 edges. Okay, 1 2 3 4, the next 5 edge. Okay, the next 5 edge. Okay, next, observe carefully. Okay, observe carefully when you unfold this object from A. Okay, when you unfold this object from A, this projection. Okay, these line. Okay, just imagine these line unfolding. Okay, these line unfolding like this. Okay, these line unfolding like this. Okay, the next, you have to cut this point. Okay, you have to unfold from the, cut this line and make this line as a straight line. Okay, make this line as a straight line. Okay, how the numbering, how to out this numbering looks like. Okay, you have to unfold, when you unfold this point. Okay, when you unfold this point, A to E line, we have A to E, in the next E to D, and the next D to C, the next finally C to B, and the next B to A. Okay, B to A. Okay, when you unfold this line, and the next we have to cut. Okay, you have to cut this, the next unfold this. Okay, unfold this top view. Okay, when you unfold this view, then we have alternately AE and ED and DC and CB, finally this BA. Okay, finally this BA. Okay, this observation AE, DCB, and finally A. Okay, these are the points. Okay, these are the points. Okay, these are don't confuse, observe carefully. Okay, don't confuse, observe carefully. You have to draw projection lines from here. Okay, you have to draw projection lines from here. Okay, draw the projection lines. Okay, draw the projection lines. Okay, these are the projection lines. You have to find out intersection points of Okay, intersection points of these projections. Okay, intersection point of these projections. Okay, here we have C1. Okay, here we have C1 and A. Okay, the A is C1. Okay, here we have C1. Okay, cutting object 1. Okay, this is not top view, this is unfolded surface. You have to, when you mention C1 dash or C2 dash is not important. Okay, just you have to mention C1. Okay, the next, from B C2. Okay, from B we have C2, from B we have C2. Okay, and the next, here we have C3 C5. Okay, C3 at C. Okay, C3 at C. Okay, this C3 intersection point, and the next C5 at E. Okay, C5 at E, this is E intersection point. Okay, this is E intersection point, this is C5, cutting object 5. Okay, the next, finally you have to find out D. Okay, D is C dash 4 here. Okay, this is D, here we have C4. Okay, the next, when you cut this object, you have from the starting point A and ending point is also A. Okay, here we have two cutting edges. Okay, 2 points of cutting edge. Next, here we have C1 here. Okay, here we have C1 here. Okay, C1 C1. Okay, the next, let's joint all these points. Okay, let's joint all these points. Let's joint all these points, C1 to C5. The next, C5 to C4. Next, C4 to C3. The next, C3 to C2. Finally C2 to C1. Finally C2 to C1. That means B to A. The last projection line B to A. Okay. Joint these edges. Okay. These slant edges. Okay. Here we have, in pentagonal pyramid, in pentagonal prism, we have these edges. Okay, we have to draw these edges. Okay, draw these edges, draw these edges, draw these edges. Okay, draw these edges. Draw these edges. Okay, observe clearly. Okay, observe clearly. This is a unfolded surface of this is unfolded surface or developed surface of this pentagonal prism. When it's cut, the axis is 50 mm. The axis is 50 mm. When this prism cut by an auxiliary inclined plane, which is makes an angle of 45 degrees, makes an angle of 45 degrees angle of at axis, 45 degrees of at angle of axis. And the next one base edge is perpendicular to VP. Okay, one base edge is perpendicular to VP. After auxiliary inclined cut this object, the next finally this is unfolded surface of cutting edge. Okay, unfolded surface of cutting edge. Okay, this is the process to draw developed surface or unfolded surface of a 3D object when it's cut by an auxiliary inclined plane. Okay, when it's cut by an auxiliary inclined plane, this is the procedure. Okay, this is the procedure to the development of surface. Thank you.